This video will shortly cover the main topics of the wETF project. wETF stands for wrapped ETFs, so we'll go over what they are. First, let's understand what exactly is a wrapped ETF and what is the wrapping part of it. Then we can go deeper into the utility itself. After that, we will explain what the wETF token on Ethereum is for and how our DAO, of which all holders are a part of, will be benefiting from this new token standard and the revenue it brings in. Wrapping refers to making something ERC20 compatible. ERC20 is the most widely adopted token standard on Ethereum. Examples of this are wrapped ETH and many algorithmic stablecoins. When you trade ETH on UniSwap, it is always converted into a wrapped format to be equal to the other ERC20 token being traded. Some tokens like those pegged to the gold standard follow the same principle. Similarly, we can take an ETF basket of assets and wrap it under an ERC20 compatible standard. You can think of it as a new standard, but practically, it functions exactly like any other token on the surface level. Now, as we know what the token standard represents, we can delve into the value proposition for users, also known as the utility or use case part of the token. Wrapped ETFs are composed of multiple decentralized projects. The price of a wrapped ETF is pegged to median average of these projects within a small margin of error. This means that some tokens can bring up the price, some can impact it negatively, and some can have a neutral impact. In mathematics, we call this the weight of the variable, how much a single variable affects the outcome of the calculation. The wrapped ETFs deployed by the development team are composed of 5 decentralized projects from the same sector. These can be meme projects, AI projects, or projects focusing on decentralized infrastructure or crypto mining. As long as they have a common price trajectory, it makes sense to involve them within one wrapped ETF. By investing in a wrapped ETF, you gain instant access to a diversified portfolio. Instead of spreading your purchase along multiple projects with all having their own unique factors and details to understand, you can retain all of that value and benefit from positive price movements across all projects. This means reducing volatility and making your investment less risky, as you have many stabilizing factors within a single basket. You also save a lot on gas fees, as you would have otherwise had to do 5 separate transactions. Some tokens have a tax system, which is totally removed in wrapped ETFs. You no longer need to pay tax to the project developers for no particular reason if the token does not provide any utility. Importantly, for your average investor, making your investment in a wrapped ETF also saves you a lot of time doing your own research about each particular project, from finding the one to invest in to making sure it has a positive future ahead of it. Wrapped ETFs always go through a curation and voting process, making the projects that compose them of exceptional quality compared to the rest of the market. Wrapped ETFs require adoption. In order for there to be truly decentralized liquidity pools, you need organic traders. The best way to achieve this quickly is to have an active community that takes part in the development through a governance model. Everyone part of this governance model can vote to issue their own wrapped ETFs and receive dividends collectively from all wrapped ETFs. Due to the utility that they provide for trading, wrapped ETFs have a tax of 1% that can be customized upon issuing. All holders receive a share of the collected tax across all team-issued and community-issued ETFs. The wETF token is a device which allows you to be a part of this governance model. Not only does the token present an investment opportunity like all tokens, you get to enjoy revenue share paid out as DAO dividends and have the ability to issue your own wrapped ETFs should you be interested. Thanks for watching. Follow the project socials for more information and stay up to date. Before connecting your wallet to our website, check that the domain is correct. See you soon.